Hi, everybody. Happy Friday to you. 3 new senior meteorologist Matt Wintz will look at your forecast. And a lot of us with plans and errands and all sorts of things that involve travel over the next 24 to 48 hours. And unfortunately, we've got some snow that will be around. The snow flying around today, not too problematic. We've got a lot of breaks in the snow as well. But on into the afternoon and evening, we're talking like 4, 5, 6 o'clock. The wind will turn off the lake and it'll start to pick up. And as that cold air comes across the lake, we're expecting a pretty well organized area of snow to sink south through the viewing area. Right now, our model targeting the west side of Cleveland. We'll see. This could shift or stay where it's at. Either way, this would put down a coating, if not an inch or two, on area roadways for that evening rush hour and beyond. And that includes all your evening plans. So keep that in mind. Things could get real tricky around here in a hurry this evening. And then tonight, the wind picks up, colder air streams in, and we deal with lake effect snow. That lake effect snow, all indication right now is that we get a band that develops on the west side of Cleveland. That would move through Cleveland and even Akron overnight tonight. And then tomorrow morning, it would be situated out east. And that's where it would stay, kind of waffling back and forth throughout the day tomorrow. This lake band is going to have connection with Lake Huron as well, which doesn't always happen. But when it does, it adds moisture to it, which makes the snow even heavier if it can come together. So we could have some real heavy snowfall rates in spots as we go throughout our Saturday, mainly east of Cleveland as it looks right now. And then it kind of waffles back into the Cleveland, even Portage County's areas as we get into tomorrow night. Outside of that, it's a cold day tomorrow, blustery, and we'll have sunshine outside of the snow belt. Lake snow will linger along the lakeshore early Sunday before pushing off with a wind shift, and then we're fine. It'll be cold on Sunday, but at least road conditions will get a lot better around here. In terms of your snowfall forecast, remember, this is not truth. This is just what the model thinks is going to happen. This is the snow from that burst that moves in tonight, maybe a couple inches, including secondary snowbelt areas. And then the primary snowbelt would light up on Saturday with someone in there, if that band can sit and establish, getting perhaps over 6 inches of snow. It certainly is possible with that lake effect. But remember, lake effect does its own thing. We could think that this is the way it's going to happen, the way it's going to play out. Models could say the same thing, and it could be totally different. So that's kind of what we're thinking for now. In terms of the weekend, it's going to be colder. We stay below average through Christmas Eve day. Your long-range forecast as we take a look at Christmas Eve and Christmas Day itself. Well, we've got to warm up, and we'll have some showers around. But overall, this isn't that warm. And so the snow that we get the next couple days is going to be what we kind of keep on the ground all the way through Christmas. We'll see if it melts off slowly, but overall, I think we'll still have some on the ground. Long range forecast, cold air is out. Here's our new system that comes in Monday night with maybe some initial snow changing over to rain. A few showers around for Christmas Eve day. Here's where Santa flies in. We're talking cloudy skies, maybe a little bit of fog with a shower or two. And then we deal with a system down to the south, which as of today's model runs, keeps it down to the south. So we would have a dry Christmas with just some clouds around and then showery and turning much warmer to end the year. In terms of Christmas snowfall or snow cover, again, a little bit left on the ground. It will be melting off in both scenarios, both the GFS and the Euro. All right, things get interesting beyond that. Your Union Hill Mortgage 10-day forecast features a slight warm up through Christmas, but then the temperatures really get going beyond Christmas. There is indication that a big storm system develops west of us around New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and that would bump our temperatures way up out ahead of it. I'm seeing some models saying maybe 60s for New Year's Eve or upper 50s. We'll see if that holds, but that shows that things are going to change in January. There's a lot of indication that we get really cold in January, maybe for a prolonged period. So lots to talk about in the forecast. We'll keep you updated. Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel. We appreciate it. Enjoy your day. Join us back on TV at 4 o'clock. Have a great day. We'll see you then.